Aston Villa are the real deal. For the past 2 months, one thing that has been familiar with Premier League fans is Aston Villa winning games. And once again, they stand up to that reputation. After coming from behind to beat West Ham 3-2, and this makes it the 10th game they have won out of the last 11 Premier League games, 6 in a row. Aston Villa longest winning streak ever. And the star player for Aston Villa on this current run of form is Morgan Rogers, who once again dazzled everyone watching the match. Morgan Rogers, who scored twice in the win over West Ham, now has 8-goal contribution for Aston Villa in 16 matches played in the Premier League, and people and fans are actually looking at them as outside favorites to win the Premier League, with Arsenal having a little bit of troubles this season, and Man City, who is just above them. The Premier League title race looks very interesting.